Do you want to whip up a batch of customizable homemade coffee ice cream with just 3 ingredients? Then freeze and watch this quick recipe, then stay tuned for a bonus recipe. Mix 2 tablespoons instant coffee with a couple ounces of heavy cream and set aside. After a few minutes, stir well to dissolve. Into 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, stir half the coffee cream, then add the other half of the mixture to the rest of 1 pint or 2 cups of ice cold heavy cream and whip to form stiff peaks. You've got to resist the urge to eat this decadent coffee whipped cream before you put it in the ice cream. Fold in the sweetened condensed coffee milk gently and smooth into a flat, freezer-proof storage container. I'm splitting the batch into 2 containers to add some toppings for the bonus recipe. Drizzle in some homemade top-shelf hot fudge, some chocolate hazelnut spread. If needed, warm both in the microwave for a few seconds so that they drizzle easier. And in goes some chocolate chips. Swirl with a chopstick or a knife. That looks beautiful. Freeze for several hours and enjoy. It's easy, creamy, and so tasty. Who would have thought you could make homemade coffee ice cream with just 3 ingredients? Thank you for joining me. Tune in next time and I'll teach you how to make something else. Damn, that looks good.
Good boy.